Many fruits are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can contribute to healthy skin. Here are some of the best fruits for your skin. Citrus fruits: oranges, grapefruits, lemons, limes. Packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps with collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its structure and elasticity, and having enough of it helps keep skin looking plump and youthful. Berries: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and anthocyanins, which fight free radicals that damage skin cells. They can also help reduce inflammation, which can contribute to acne and other skin conditions. Mango: high in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is important for skin cell regeneration and can help give you a glowing complexion. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps with skin cell turnover and can reduce inflammation. It's also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Pineapple contains bromelain, another enzyme that helps with skin cell turnover and can reduce inflammation. Pineapple is also a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Watermelon: high in water content, which helps keep skin hydrated and plump. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that can help protect skin from sun damage. Pomegranate: this jewel-toned fruit is full of antioxidants that fight free radicals and may help protect your skin from sun damage and hyperpigmentation. It also promotes collagen production, which can help keep your skin firm and elastic. Kiwi: this fuzzy fruit is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking bright and youthful. Tomatoes: Technicalia, fruit. Though many consider it a vegetable, tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that can help protect skin from sun damage. Remember that a balanced diet is key to healthy skin. Include these fruits in your diet along with plenty of vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. You should also avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive sun exposure.